All right, y'all. Let's do this. Ciara, move your left foot in first. 7. It's fast. Ass. 2. Body roll.
That's how I'm feeling.
And
that's how I'm feeling.
Arms.
Ooh, feeling.
Body roll.
If that's how I'm feeling. If that's
From the
how
top,
I'm
left
feeling.
foot.
Boy, do you like that? Boy, do you like that? Boy, do you like that? I know that you like that. Know that you like that. Know that you like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. 'Cause I did that. Yeah, 'cause I did that. Yeah, 'cause I did that.
Hips. Go.
I don't drink, but I might take a few shots for the night. I might get fucked up, but at least I'll be feeling just right. And I don't love you, but I might say I love you tonight. That's how I'm feeling. That's how I'm feeling.
Here we go.
Ooh, feeling.
Roll loaded, throw it out.
Ooh,
Mr. Worldwide, put it down with.
that's how I'm feeling.
Ya tú sabes, mama.
Oh, Pitbull, not a little
I know what
bit.
you feeling, I know what you got, I know what you need and I know what you
4.
want. Verónica Vega,
And
dale que tú puedes, que tú estás bella. I see you, baby, thick thighs, small waist, cute face.
4.
I wanna please you, baby, explore your private parts in a private
Jump.
place. Excuse me, baby, but life is a deck of cards and you my ace. And when the time's right, turn the name 765.
All right, 2.
I might call all my friends, hang out with this, how I feel. I might drop it low and pop a cup.
4.
See, I'm popping and jumping like a coupe de ville. Ain't no stopping, we rockin', we got a drink on chill. If I see a fine dude, I'm like, come here. But them chicks alright, baby, I'm the real deal. It's me and CC, H.O.T., I'm OG. You know me when I get toasty, it's on B. Get it, gon' pop that thing. Don't care what they say, pop that thing. Go ahead, gon' drop that thing. Go ahead, gon' drop that thing.
Knees up. Body roll.
That's how I'm feeling. If that's how I'm feeling.
Left foot.
Boy, do you like that? Boy, do you like that? Boy, do you like that? I know that you like that. Know that you like that. Know that you like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. 'Cause I did that. Yeah, 'cause I did that. Yeah, 'cause I did that. When I'm sticking that ass out. When I'm sticking that ass out.
Again.
Boy, do you like that? Boy, do you like that? Boy, do you like that? I know that you like that. Know that you like that. Know that you like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. 'Cause I did that. Yeah, 'cause I did that. Yeah, 'cause I did that. When I'm sticking that ass out. When I'm sticking that ass out.
2.
Let's get it. You did that, girl.
And
You did that, girl. You did that, girl. Let's get it.
again. You got this. It's your chance to practice this one.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Nice job, y'all. All right, y'all. That was it. That's How I'm Feeling by Ciara. Practice, practice, practice. You get better by doing it over and over and over again, okay? I can't wait to see what you guys are doing. Send me a video or come to class. It's a really fun thing to do this and then all the other routines together. It's nice cardio fun and you just get to escape life for an hour. So I hope you enjoyed it. Peace. Mwah. I love you much. It's your boy Kiki. Bye.